Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, February 8th. You can see temperatures this morning pretty much in the low 30s, mid 30s. We got plenty of cloud cover out there. We got a clipper system that's going to be dropping down, and it's going to help carve out a big upper level low that's going to park itself over Lake Huron for a couple of days here as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. And you can see winter weather advisories out for the thumb area. And also later on today, I expect there'll be advisories of some sort issued for the northwest and southwest Lake Michigan snowbelt areas. I think all areas, though, have a chance to see 1 to 2, 1 to 3 inches of snow from this upper system as it drops into the area. And again, that's going to bring the coldest air of the year here by late this week into the weekend. In fact, we could have highs over the weekend on Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure which will be the colder of the days, but we could see high temperatures in the single digits with lows going possibly well below zero. So a very cold air mass heading our way here, and it'll be a much colder week and much snowier week around the area. If we take a look at the regional map across the Great Lakes, you can again see pretty uniform temperatures, not too bad across much of the area. But as we zoom out into the Great Lakes Midwest area, you can see down to 6 degrees at Grand Forks, and we do get some very cold air behind that clipper system. Again, that will be heading our way over the next 24 hours. You can see some showers and maybe a little mixed snow, but temperature is mild. This is the area, I think, from the thumb over towards southwest Ontario, London, Tupperville, our St. Thomas areas, and then Marlette, Brown City. Look to be under the gun to pick up at least 3, maybe 4, 5, 6 inches of snow or even more over here in southwest Ontario. So, again, a very snowy pattern coming up with as this cold air comes in. We look to maybe warm up later next week, and might it come with a significant snow as the cold air retreats? Some of the models are indicating that, but for right now, we'll concentrate on the cold and the snow that's going to be falling here this week. You can see on the weather map by later this morning around 7 a.m. that low near Marquette will be dropping down towards southern Lake Huron, central Lake Huron, where it'll kind of stall out. It'll eventually move off to the east, but again, wrap around lake effect snows and snows from the upper system. Certainly going to bring some accumulations to the area, and you can see that low pressure tomorrow by this time again over southern Lake Huron. And if we look at snowfall from the GFS, pretty aggressive across central Michigan. Think that might be overdone. I would place higher bets on accumulations across the thumb area. I think several inches could fall in this area, but again, I think it's a little more problematic. And as far as how cold might we turn later this week, well, the GFS shows in much of the area from around Lansing northward, and a lot of the interior areas could drop between 0 to 15 below zero. So a very cold air mass. Overall, a cold and more wintry week ahead. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.